come to this place.
Huh?
I came to this place last year. I didn't know.
Okay.
There is one resort ahead.
Huh?
There is one resort up ahead.
RD Natures. It's a good place. So we can spend some time here. Yes. Also.
Yeah.
Take it from here.
Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape.
But our weather is good, no?
Yep.
Your bike? Your bike can a little bit stand.
Great unknown, escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape.
So we started from Bangalore really early, and we've come through this umbilical forest. Thought we'd catch sunrise, but it's dark and cloudy. I was kidding, man. I was kidding. Coming back will be problem, not going. Halted at this really nice place. These mayflowers are really decorating the road. When did you buy an S10, man? Awesome. This is like typical biker scene. We just stop in the middle of the road to get these nice pictures.
Good place. Good place.
It's actually everything is nice because it rained.
Yeah.
I think so. It's not showing way. Let me see. I don't know, there's no road. So there's supposed to be a waterfall here. It's called Benki Falls on Google Maps. That's what we're trying to find. There's no road. I think this is it. There's just no water flowing. Waterfall idea alli? Waterfall. ಹಾ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಲ ಅದಲ್ರ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಳಿದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಬಟ್ yeah there are 3 waterfalls but I don't think water will be there. So ಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಲಿಗೆರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಯಾರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸಿ
ಓಕೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್
ಸೋಲಿಗೆರೆಗಂತೆ
ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್
ಅಲೌಡ್ ಮೀ ಕ್ಯೂ ವೈ
ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್